cargo mat, cargo fast. Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. Today we're going to be doing some 0 to 60s in the Jeep. It is a little bit rainy out, as you can see. We got a nice puddle going on over here. So hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully the roads aren't very slick at all or anything like that. But we're going to try and go 0 to 60 in it, sport mode on, sport mode off, from a roll, from a normal start, and just kind of see what kind of times we can get with the Jeep so you guys can have a better understanding of how quick this car is for being a stock simple Jeep without any kind of special features to it. Now before this video starts, guys, I just want to make sure you guys click that subscribe button down below. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that now. We have new videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. So if you guys are not already subscribed, be on the lookout for the new videos, and let's jump into it. But first, we gotta get some Chick-fil-A. Okay, thank you. I'm going, Grandma. Alright guys, it is drizzling a little bit out here. You can see we got the car nice and over here. We got this nice road. It goes down pretty fairly empty. There's a few businesses, but for the most part it's pretty empty. Highway's right over here. It's kind of like one of those weird things. There's like a turnaround over here. A lot of test drives go on over here. I test drove the car here. Actually, not this one. I test drove another one and went over here. But yeah, we're gonna do some drive-bys and some 0 to 60 runs with sport mode on, sport mode off, rolling start, and complete stop. So hopefully we can get close to a 10 minutes worth of content for you guys to enjoy on the channel here. But yeah, let's just jump right in and start seeing what we can get. All right, so I'm just gonna move over here real quick. I don't know why I started that. We're just gonna move over here, get into this lane, and then we're gonna go to a stop. And then we'll do a quick little 0 to 60 without sport mode on. Go ahead and turn this off. All right, we're completely stopped. We're just gonna switch the start and floor it. So 3, 2, 1. So that was like 9 seconds. It probably wasn't perfect. It was a little uphill, but it's okay. So now we gotta spin around here and see if we can get another one down here. All right, completely stopped. We got a car coming up on our right. We're gonna floor it. So that one was like 8 seconds. A little uphill on that one too. That one's actually more uphill. And it's kind of, the location is kind of a little tough because there's cars coming. There's a guy coming up on my right and whatnot, so that's kind of a little bit tough. But so that first one was like the first one was like 920, second one was like 820. So just assuming that the sport mode takes a second off, but for a pretty much completely bone stock car, that's really not too bad. Now we're gonna try it from a rolling start from the spot that I was at before in sport mode this time. All right, so we're going about 13 right now, as you can see on the screen, and we're just gonna mash it to the floor, sport mode on, and see if it'll go any faster. So that was only 6.53 seconds, which is a lot better than the other two. I was a little bit harder on it and did kind of floor it a little bit harder on that one. We'll try the same thing without sport mode and see if I can get it. I'm gonna go back to the same spot, that way I can actually get an exact kind of test and kind of see if it'll be a little bit more accurate. All right, so again, we're at about 14, 15. We're not in sport mode this time, so we're just gonna go ahead and floor it once it hits about 13, 14 area again once I get up here. 3, 2, 1. So that one was about 7.10. So you can tell that there's a little bit of a difference there. And I can just really feel it in just the pickup of the car and just like how fast that it's switching through the gears and how high the RPMs are. I can actually really feel it for once. Throughout driving it, I haven't really felt it as much as I'm feeling it now, but that's definitely, those two takes, comparing them at the same spot, it definitely makes a huge difference in sport mode. Alright guys, so there you have it, some little 0 to 60 runs in the Jeep. I've been wanting to do this for a little bit and I haven't really gotten around to it, and now there it is, I've done it. If there's any other 0 to 60s that you guys want to see in the car, I'll go ahead and do those. Obviously that's just with the exhaust on it. Flying through those leaves there, I'm not sure if I'll put it in, but kind of made a mess there. And you can see we actually exploded a bug real bad there. And yeah, so that's pretty much like it's a mess now. I just got the car washed yesterday, and I'm already over here getting it all covered in mud and leaves and all kinds of good stuff, spraying at it from doing that. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think down below. Of course, how fast is yours? If you guys do a 0 to 60 in yours with sport mode on and off, let me know down below, because I'm wondering how different it is with the exhaust, or if you have an exhaust or an intake. I think the intake will be the next thing that I'm going to do on the car as far as bigger mods go, because I really want to see if that extra 10 horsepower is going to affect that at all. Obviously, the conditions are changing every single time that I do these videos, and obviously I'm not doing this in a perfectly set, controlled environment, so I'm not going to get the best out of what I'm doing. So obviously times are going to differentiate. I'm only doing, I only did one run each just to quickly grab this for the video and to show you guys exactly just a quick look at what it is. That's kind of what I do here on the channel. You know, I try and keep it more authentic and more just like what you guys will be doing in the car, and more of just that kind of stuff rather than showing you guys like a SRT or a Trackhawk or this or that. You know, it's kind of more my videos are more targeted towards the average everyday viewer and the average everyday person like me that's gonna own one of these Jeeps, wants to modify it a little bit and make it look a little bit better, sound a little bit better, and drive a little bit better, have more fun with it, and just overall enjoy it. As you can see, it's looking good out here. Extremely dirty. Finally got it a car wash, and I'm already ruining it with leaves and wetness and more mess, but it is what it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and say that. So if you did enjoy this video, guys, make sure you click that like button down below. It really does help the channel out. Of course, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, trying to hit that by the end of the year. So if you guys could do that, that would mean a lot to me. I think we're sitting at about 560, 565 right now. So if you guys could do that, that would be awesome. We're trying to hit that. Like I said, new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. Mostly centered around the Jeep. Sometimes they stray off and I do a little bit more lifestyle stuff. Obviously the channel's called BJP Lifestyle, so it's all about stuff that I'm into and that I like. And yeah, like I said, comment down below the stuff about your car, and I'd love to hear it and talk with you guys more about the Jeeps. But that's going to be about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace!